I have 3 turtles. One of them is called Tangle, the other one is called Pecan, and the other is the youngest one. We just call him like Little Turtle. When I feed them or when I clean them, I have to stick my hand in there to like take them out to clean them, and they start biting, and I don't really want to stick my hand in their mucky water too. So I just thought of like if I try to grab them out with this thing. The first thing I thought of while designing this is that I want them to be safe, so they don't get their little feet crushed while I take them out. We had to use like 4 manufacturing processes. I knew I wanted to do 3D printing for this part right here. This is the claws where the turtles will actually be. I designed all of it in SolidWorks. I made like a full model, and then I sort of decided like what should I make this out of. With this one, I made it on the CNC, and I used Mastercam to create a toolpath. There's a wire coming in, like connecting this to the arms, the fingers down here. And I would say the hardest part was tying it together, trying to figure out like what wire to use. I tried a fishing wire, and it was pretty durable. I liked how it felt, but just with like so many like the metal ridges, it had snapped. Ended up using like this cable wire from used to hang picture frames.